Yeah. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. How are you all?
Fine, Deeksha. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. Um, yeah, Vedashri, how was your day?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah. What about Gokul? Okay. How about Kampu? How was your day?
It's good, but I am not.
You're not well. Yeah, it's sad to hear. It's fine, you'll be well after some days. Okay. So let's continue working on our project. Um, Yeah, we have just completed our, we had still to do two of our, two of our pay what the files, and if we complete two of them, then the whole thing is getting completed. I think today we will complete the both files, and in the next class, in the beginning of the 10 minutes, we'll just see the output. Doesn't think we will be can cover the output also today. Yeah. So in the next class, we in starting 10 or 5 minutes, I think so. Yeah. Hardly 5 minutes. We'll just see the output and end our project. And we'll end our project and begin the new thing, whatever we're gonna do. Yeah. I'll share my screen. Tell me when my screen is visible for you. Yeah. Is my screen visible for you guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So this was all whatever we have done so far. In the uh, in our last class and previous all those classes. This is the things what we have done. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah. First, in the first class, we done our player file where we had uh things um like the player name, health, and coins and inventory. And we had a page where we want to create the players overview, like their name and just welcoming them and writing your adventure begins. Then we have a def show status where it shows the player name, health, and coins and inventories. And we have use potion where it just adds 20 of the health to the health. Then next we have done our shop.py where we had to purchase the portion or inventory, which the portion gets added into inventory. And if we had no coins, it would just print no coins yet, something like that. Then if you want to buy a potion, we should have 10 coins. And if you want to buy a key, we should have 15 coins. And in case you have less than 15 or 10 coins, it would just print. If you have less than 15 or 10 coins, it will just print the coins are not not enough coins. Here you can see just print not enough coin. If you have particular coins, like you have 10 coins to buy a potion, you could buy a potion and it will just minus 10 of the coins from your money and just add one potion to your inventory. That is what given here. Append key, or it will append a potion, or it will append the key. That is what given here. This is the overview of our shop.py. Next, we have done a save load.py where we just created another file called savegame.txt, which works as a file reading for us here. Here, the player is able to just yeah, the player when he saves a particular game, it gets saved into savegame.txt. So next time when he enters the game, he can just load the previous game, whatever he has done so far. He can just load things back to the game and continue playing. And next, we have, yeah, that's what here. It will just put all the name, health, and coins and inventories together and bring back into the game. Then we have load underscore game. This function is nothing but whenever you are wanna open the same game, you can just run this load underscore game. So it goes to savegame.txt file and takes your information from that and just print it. That what is it does. This one we have seen in the last class. These three files are done, and we had started the game.py file. Here import random from player, import player. That means from the player it will just import whatever the things. Here you can see here this will be our player part. From here it will just import the player. That means it imports name, health, coins, and inventories and from the player import player. After that, shows status and views portion. Here you can see in the player.py the show status. It will just print your name, player name, and your health, coins, and inventories. That what, and it will say use portion. It will just uh, yeah it will just use a portion so your health is maintained. So when you start the game, you should not. It shouldn't be like you're ending the same game at that time. So it will just add for a considerable, like maybe it will just add a bit of health for you and restart the game. That is what means here. Then after that we have from the shop import shop. We just import shop as I said you, and here from save load import save game. If you want to play the same game whatever you have played so far, so you can just load it. It's left to you. And it will give a search place here, print searching place. Here we have yeah. Here we have event one where it is coins. Player coins plus or equals to coins. You found coins. If in case you have in the first event, if you have found the coins, it will just print you have found coins. Then if you had found a person gem or a map, it will just append it to the inventory. Here it will append it to the coins. Here it will append it to the inventory and just say you found an item. Then in case if you have found if your health gets damaged or lost, or when an enemy is attacking you and your health is getting degraded, at that time it just player health and minus is equal to damage, just minus the health, and will print an enemy is attacked and you have lost how much health. It will just show damage is nothing here, the number of health you have lost. We'll just print that lost damage and health, and it will just show how much health is lost. If this three functions doesn't happen, then it prints nothing happened. If these three functions also do not take place, just prints nothing happens. Is that clear until now? So I can just move on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever are others, you can just give a thumbs up if you are clear. So I'll know. Yeah. Yeah, so this was all about recap, whatever we have done so far. So we'll continue working on this. Yeah. Next, we start a new loop. This is the most important part of the game because here where the whole game loop is. Here we have a def function called game loop. Yeah, here we have a def functions called game loop. Yeah, game loop. Here we have a while loop. You all know what is while loop and why it is used. It is used so that a particular game stops at a moment when the particular statement is false. In most of the game, you find while loop because the games means it should get stopped at a moment or at a certain time when the user has lost the game. That is why you see most of the games use while loop. So you can break it at the between whenever the statement is false, like whenever the user gets his health less than what he is required to. That time the while loop can get stopped. That is why you can see at the many instance of the games we use while loop. Okay. Then in the while loop we have if player, yeah, if player uh, yeah, player health health is less than or equal to 0, print game over. I can see here if player health is less than or equal to 0, we'll just print game is over because when the health is 0, then there is no way of playing the game, and it just prints your game is over and break the while loop. If in case you have the health, um, yeah. In case if you have the health, the next part of the game begins, where print. First, it will print treasure hunt. Treasure hunt. Here we'll just print as the treasure hunt as our heading because treasure hunt game TREASURE treasure H hunt. Yeah, treasure hunt. Oh. And disconnect this. Yeah, treasure hunt. Okay, treasure hunt. Yeah, after that, we have our next print statement where we have the places for the treasure hunt. First place will be our forest. Print. Option 1 will be the forest. Maybe forest. Forest. And our option 2 will be the cave. 2 will be a cave. Then 3. After cave, we have river. After river, we have shop. This shop you will be knowing certainly because all the functions of shop are predetermined in our shop.py. Then 5 will be use portion. Use portion also um, what it is. Use portion. Then the 6th will be show status. When you enter the game and you load things and you can just see for show status. So if you have your less health, then you can just drink a potion. That is why status is enough. I think so. Status, yeah. Print. Next we have 7th one. Yeah. After status we have save. When you wanna save your game, you can just. At last we have exit. Yeah, this will be all our about our treasure hunt. The first treasure hunt starts from forest. If you select forest, it goes to forest. And then you have cave, then you have river, then you have a shop. Um, I think we have to create another file for the functions of forest, cave, and river. We'll see what to do. First, we'll just complete these things. We have certainly given use portion what to do. Then state is also given, save also given, exit also given, shop also given. For this three, we want to create another file and do something. I think so. Let's see. First, as of today, we will just complete these two files and so. Yeah. After this, we will give the choice for the input for the user. Choice is equals to input. Yeah. Choice is equals to input. Choose. Choose. Yeah. Just giving choose the option. If choice is 1, if choice is equals to 1, and search forest. The same thing goes on here. So just copy. No. After this, we'll give elif, right? Elif choice is equals to 2. Then search for what? Search for cave. Search for cave. Yeah. Let's copy this thing and just paste. Copy. If the choice is 3, yeah, then it has to search for cave, forest, and river. Okay. LF choice is equals to 4. Search. Yeah. Um, we have functions right for this, so we'll just shop. The shop uh the shop this what is that the function gets run here. If elif if the choice is 5, just search for. Next we have a use portion. Use portion. Yeah. Then if the choice is 6, then our next thing will be to show status. We have a function called show status. Show status. I think we have to create a function for this 3 also. Yeah, we'll just do that in the next class. In this class, we'll just complete the overview of the project. In next class, in another 15 minutes of the class or 10 minutes, we'll just complete it. The whole project is equal to 7. 7. Then show. Then save game. Yeah. Save game and yeah. Just print save game. The save game function gets into play here. If the choice is, and if the choice is equals to 8, then as it is exit, we'll just break. The things get breaked. Is this much clear for everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. All these things doesn't happen if the person doesn't choose any of this number. In case if he chooses other numbers, just print invalid choice. Invalid choice. By this, this file gets completed. Is everything clear in whatever these files contain?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Um, let us see our main.py. Yeah, in main.py, as I said, yeah, um, yeah, in main.py, we have the just a very short thing. Uh, yeah, yeah. After this main.py, we have a bit of code which we will be seeing in the next class. That will be the ending of the code. In another 10 minutes, we'll complete this main.py and end the class, and in the next class, we'll see the output. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'll just do it now. Take a bit of code here. Yeah, from the same way from player import player. Yeah, import create player, comma player from game import game loop. This game loop is nothing but this thing. I'll show you. There is that thing. Yeah, this thing. This whole thing is called game loop. This thing, this one is the game loop. Okay. Yeah, game loop. Next, run, save, load, import, load game. All this helps whatever we've done so far. Then I'll just print. Right. Yeah. Print. Load game. Here we have two options, like you want to start a new game or load a game. That means if you click on a load game, the previous game gets continued. If you click on new game, the new game starts. That is what this means. Yeah. Next, choice. This will also be a input choice from the user. Choice is equal to input. choose. After that, if choice is equal to 1, then in case if the choice is equals to 1, that means the new game and the person is new to the game. That time the create player, that means the login input whatever we have given that gets run, and a game loop will start. Game loop. In case the choice is 2, that means the person want to load the game. Then elif choice is equals to 2. Yeah, a load game. Yeah, we have another if statement here. If no, yeah. After this, else if both the choice is not made, as we're doing from the beginning, invalid choice. Yeah. By this file gets completed. I think we'll end the class for today for this much, and we will continue it in the next class. It'll be about 10 minutes, just 2 minutes of the code writing, I think so. And we will just see the output and end this project by the next class, and we'll start a new journey, whatever it is, from the next class. Yeah, yeah. Um, this much as we know. In the next class, as I said, you will just see the output. Yeah, I'll stop sharing my screen. I hope everyone got whatever I have taught you. Did everyone understand?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. I hope it's clear for everyone, and we will complete our so big project. We have been working for this about 2 months, I think so. Yeah, they have been working for this about 4 to 5 weeks. Continuously, we have been working for it. 1 month, I mean, 1 month. We have been working on the same project. We'll just get end in the next class. Not whole next class, just about 10 minutes. It gets ended. Yeah. Yeah. Over to Madhesa.
Okay, thank you, Deeksha. So all of you try to complete your project so uh, within your time. Okay, thank you. I don't have time to. I have another session. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.